Hello everyone, it's me Jess and welcome to my channel. I recently ordered this Creative Metallix Plus portable Bluetooth and water-resistant speaker directly from their website, and it arrived shortly one day after. The package contains 4 items. First would be the small note that has the referral mechanics. Basically, you'll get a free Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headphones if your friends would use your assigned code when they purchase an item from Creative. Second is the speaker manual. Third is of course the speaker itself. And lastly, you can find the USB charging cable. And now, let's see if the speaker is indeed worth the purchase. It comes only in one color, which is a classic black, which I like because I don't have to worry about it getting dirty. It has 5 buttons on top which are easy to press and respond quite fast. The power button, Bluetooth pairing button, play pause button, and the volume adjustment buttons.
Pairing mode, waiting for device to connect.
There's also an LED light indicator and a built-in microphone. The speaker also has slots for auxiliary 3.5mm jack and USB charger. I love how simple the design is. Not to mention, it's very lightweight and portable, which you can easily bring along when traveling. When you switch on the power, you will hear this sound.
Pairing mode, waiting for device to connect.
It will only take you a few seconds to successfully connect your media player to the speaker. Just a little disclaimer, the sound may not be as accurate as this was recorded using my camera's built-in mic, but at least you guys will have an idea on how the sound is like. I would suggest that you use your headphones while watching this comparison scene. Now, let's do a sound comparison between my laptop speaker and the Creative Metallix Plus Bluetooth speaker. The Creative Labs claims that this speaker can run up to 24 hours of continuous playback. So far, it's been 4 days with about 4 hours of use every day, and it has not needed a charge yet. This speaker may be slim, yet the sound it produces is impressively excellent because of its good bass presence. The overall clarity is also great. If you want a more enhanced sound, you can also pair this with another unit of Metallix Plus. And since it is water resistant, you don't have to worry about accidental splashes when using it outdoor. I just wish that this product had a power bank feature. Overall, I highly recommend this product if you're looking for a quality Bluetooth speaker that is affordable, portable, and has an amazing battery life. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know your comments below. Thank you for watching!